Okay, so for today, I think I just nak share pasal myself yang not always be the one yang high motivated people, but sorry, the introduction is not that good. Cumanya I nak share dekat you all, there's nothing wrong untuk you rasa macam down. Take your time. I mean like I always take my time. I mean like seriously, even like a week pun I just baring sampai macam dah tak larat nak baring. It's just that I want to tell you it's okay for you to take your time untuk recovery. Dia macam mana nak cakap kadang-kadang perempuan ni, orang selalu cakap macam susah kan jadi perempuan sebab macam tak faham tu ini. It's not about that. Sebenarnya kita ada macam emosi tau. Means like it's always kita salahkan diri kita macam I'm too lazy, I ni pemalas, pemalas sama, I'm not at a good state of mind. I understand that, I bukan nak cakap macam, I bukan nak galakkan untuk you tak buat apa-apa seminggu tu. Okay, what's good is going to be kalau kata you paksa diri you macam you're being, you tahu tak, kalau you paksa diri you untuk like doing it so much, of course I adore discipline, I adore all the system, but how we want to tap, I mean like macam mana kita nak being happy kalau I mean like kita diri sini pun rasa macam buat half cook. You don't understand that? Macam kalau ada kita buat pun kita buat macam half cook macam sikit-sikit kita buat macam, lepas tu kita tak buat daripada hati. Do you understand that? I understand yang macam okay, we have to be very kita perlu jadi macam like this person. I understand that. I truly understand that. Even that it was me before. I mean like past 8 years before this, I was like that. Don't care no matter what, sakit ke, penat ke, rasa diri emosi terganggu ke apa ke, don't care, just buat kerja. No bullshit. I mean like sorry, that's not the good word. Cuma ni I nak bagi tahu yang I dulu macam tu. But now I'm more to like let myself ready. Means like macam mana nak cakap kita ni sebenarnya kita have trauma, kita have something going on as our background. Itulah sebabnya. So I'm not telling you not to do anything, I'm telling you to let yourself be ready. Selalunya orang bila cakap macam oh okay, I tak nak macam jadi macam tu lah sebab nanti I jadi pemalas. How far it goes, I mean like I seriously wanna ask you, berapa jauh kita boleh pergi macam tu? We are not men. Honestly, we are not men. Semua orang akan cakap macam okay, perempuan patut kerja dengan lelaki. I mean like macam dulu I like macam ni tau, macam kenapa kena kerja, macam kenapa kena kerja, tak suka kerja, tak suka buat tu, tak suka. That's how it's about us. I like perempuan ni dia memang wired macam tu. I don't know why, but that's the beauty about it. That's why orang cakap macam I really want yang lelaki pergi kerja, perempuan duduk rumah. Bukan pasal perempuan tu nak duduk rumah. Of course Allah macam kalau you are Muslim, Allah born us to this muka bumi atas muka bumi Allah ni bersebab, means like you want to share something, you want to give value, you want to something. Okay, but lelaki biologically dia memang sangat-sangat berbeza. Kalau kata dia adalah macam someone yang always working hard, means like dia tap into the masculine mode. But then for women, for feminine, kalau kata dia buat macam tu, sebenarnya is not going to be better. I can bet you that. Sebab I dulu macam tu. I nak terus bekerja. I mean like for whatever happen, I'm going to be so much disciplined. But the result is zero. Tapi kalau lelaki dia buat macam tu, truly speaking, diorang punya result boom. I tak tahu kenapa. This is like fitrah. Kita tak boleh against benda ni. This is so brutally honest. I mean like so sorry if you're hurting, if like I'm hurting you about this, but this is what I am sharing you for the past 8 years. That is actually I'm living my life. I have even better life daripada rumah macam rumah flat. So macam I daripada rumah flat, I yang macam tak ada apa-apa. For like working hard, means like pushing. Sebenarnya perempuan ni dia terlebih bekerja sebenarnya. Membuatkan benda tu jadi a burnout. Means like kalau kata kita skincare kan, kita terlalu pakai retinol, contoh retinol you pakai terlalu kuat and membuatkan kulit you nampak kusam. Yes, that's the things. You macam working hard and somehow, yeah, of course it is going to take a result, it going to give you a result, but pernah tak macam terfikir macam tapi dia buat sikit, kenapa dia nampak lebih dapat banyak I mean like the result is going to be so blown up. Sebab tap into the feminine energy. Sebab when you go into that kind of situation, you akan jadi lebih creative. You rasa macam, yeah, I got an idea. Macam tiba-tiba dapat ilham macam tu. So, that's what I'm trying to share here. So, hopefully, I can help you to feel better at rest. That is my intention sebenarnya. I nak you rest sebenarnya. So, I hope that this video is going to help you to feel more relaxed, more like boleh rasa relax macam tu lah. I mean like that's the goal. So, kalau kata you suka video ni, you boleh share. Kalau you tak suka pun, you boleh bagi tahu kat komen macam you ni merepek lah. Everything is about discipline. We have to work hard to get there. We have to be systematic. We have to do it. Okay, I really want to know your feedback. I mean like seriously, I just want to know your feedback about this. So, kalau you suka video macam ni, maybe it's going to like tweak you a little bit here and there about the masculine, feminine energy macam tu. So, yeah, do share. Bye.